Hey you guys, join me as I assemble this garden planter here, this all metal garden planter. Here's most of the stuff that came in the box, but I wanted to show you something. Before you assemble this thing, you want to make sure you get all the plastic off of each piece. And this is nice because it keeps this all fresh looking, keep it from getting scratched. All right, here's everything that came in the box, and it's got all the plastic off all the metal pieces too. So you got some rods, some stakes, some brackets, some corner pieces, some longer panels and a little bit shorter panels, and a pair of safety gloves. Here's the N2 fasteners, the N1 fasteners, and the instructions. The first thing I'm going to do is take one of these these are the end pieces, these are the side pieces. I'm going to take an end piece and stick two corner pieces to the end piece and then attach two longer panels to it. Okay, here's progress so far. So this is my end piece. This is one of my side panels. So nice. It's got these wing nuts on the inside. Makes for quick installation right there. There's the corner piece, and the hole does not go in the top. It goes in the bottom right there. That way you can push the stake down into the ground for it. So now I'll just go ahead and put another side piece right here. All right, there's progress so far. Go ahead and put the rest of the nuts, the wing nuts and bolts in there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this exact same thing, but facing this way. So an end piece, two side piece, the exact opposite of this. All right, got the two halves put together. Okay, now we bring these two sides together in conjunction with this L bracket here. It's going to go right here. We're also going to put two cross member brackets, but we're just going to go ahead and attach it through this top one right here and right there. I'm going to go ahead and use these N2 fasteners for that. There, I brought the two sides together. Now what we're going to do is go ahead and take these here, go in this hole right there, and span across right there. Got the first one installed there. All right, there it is. There's the two cross members installed. Now I just got to go around and put all the rest of the fasteners in. And then this one will be done. Then we'll do the exact same thing for that one. All right, little pro tip here. If you have one of these, really speeds things up. Get the right bit for the screws and you can go around and just tighten them down. All right, here they are, all set up. These stakes here just go right through these holes here in all four corners. There we go, there they are, all filled up with soil, ready for some plants to grow. This one we used for beets. Got some beet starts coming up through here. There's one right in the back here. Great planter boxes. Really happy with these things. Thank you for watching, everybody.